What's up? Bowman Sterling mini box and 5-pack on 2010 playoff contenders. Thanks, everybody. Rundown: Michael, 1986 NY. You got Giants, Jags, Jets, Lions, Panthers, Pats. Dora, you got the Bengals, Bucks, Cardinals, Falcons. Stallion, Niners, Raiders, Steelers, KRS Mo, Cowboys, Browns, and Chiefs. Lincoln, Broncos and Texans, K-Jax, Bears, Reed Rick, Chargers, Driddle, Pack, K. Densky, Rams, Loyola, Ravens, Big Mo, Hawks, Based. You got the Titans, Vaccinate, Vikings, and unsold teams were Bills, Colts, Dolphins, and Eagles. So best of luck, and let's do it. Should have a total of 2 autos and 2 jerseys at the least. As always, thanks everybody. Appreciate the purchases. 2010 we got Kellen, AP. Got a Cowboys draft class with Des Bryant and Sean Lee. Mendenhall, Clay Matthews. Pack 2 from 2010. Auto. Niners. Rookie of Nate. Alright. Wes Welker and Johnny Knox. Layton, Matt Castle, Santonio Super, Calvin, Pack 4, Scotty, Eli, Mitchell, Legendary Contender, Colts, Hasselbeck, and Debo. Last pack from 2010. Watson, Palomalu, Year Contender, Matt Ryan, Reggie Bush, Saints, Bowman Sterling, Derek Sherrod, rookie, Packers. Mark Herzlich, rookie, Giants. Jamie Harper, game worn, rookie relic. 4 out of 299. Got Dion Lewis, not numbered, game used rookie relic. And nice. We got Jamie Harper Titans and Delani Carter dual auto. It looks like a refractor. Player worn, number 40 out of 60. Let's see. So we got randomize that bad boy in a sec here. Came in late. These were relics. 2010. That's our auto. And let me just a sec here. Let's go random. There's a refresh on it for you. And we'll do 3 as usual. Whoever's on top after 3. So Titans on top to start, Colts on bottom. All right. 1, 2, and 3. It is. Randomized list 3 times. All right, I'll try to get these in the mail tomorrow, Sunday, so they probably won't be in the actual mail till Monday. But as always, appreciate it. And yeah, that's it. So y'all have a good night. Definitely appreciate it, and hope to see y'all back. All right, have a good one.